Hello, welcome back. This is episode 4 for Far Cry 4. And the title is Reach the Bell Tower. So, as we progress on the on the third episode, mapapansin mo doon na disgrasya yung ating jeep na sinasakyan. So, luckily, we are alive. Pero yung driver natin ay namatay. So mapapansin mo dyan, nasa lupa tayo, no? At saka yun ang ating driver. So that's the radio, I guess. Or a phone, I don't know.
This is Sabal. Where are you?
It's look like a radio and it's look like a phone.
The driver's dead.
An old cell phone.
You should be able to see a tower nearby.
Look at that Rambo knife. It's really
Head to
good.
the tower. Okay.
You can do this, Ajay.
Okay. Ang layo naman ng bell tower na yon. So, ayan ang sasakyan natin. Oh my god, may mga kalaban tayo. Okay. Stealth fundamental. The detection meter fill ups enemies spot your its full and its flash you're detected. Press T to throw a rack and distract enemy. Press C to crouch, you will be less visible and make less noise when walking. Alright. Takbo, hurry up!
Then start looking and check the bushes. He could be hiding there.
Yan ang mga kalaban natin. My main goal is to kill that jungle nut. Oh my god, oh no. Oh no. I'm a failure. Oh nang attempt, patay tayo agad. Oh my goodness. Sige, try natin ulit. Medyo mahirap to eh. Yung set ko pala is difficult. Kaya medyo mahirap eh. I want to maximize as possible yung talagang laro ng games na to. Tingnan natin kung ano siya talaga. So yan ang second attempt natin. Okay, we did it. We killed the guy. Finally. That we had an enemy at the back and oh my god, just come on, ride on. Takbo. Okay, tumabi ka sa bato. Okay, no chance again. You are dead again. Oh my god. Okay, try it again. Okay, patay ulit. Okay, tingnan natin. Oh my god, takbo. Maghanap tayo muna ng bala. Wala tayong bala eh. Right on. Yeah. Meron pa sa kabila. Yes. Check it all. Okay, back to the enemy. Makikita nyo, I am a sharpshooter. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna shot you on head. Okay, reloading. May pera ka ba? What the heck? Wow. Ang daming pera nun ah. Okay, ikaw, meron ka ba? Opium ball. What the heck is that? Okay, ito na ngayon. Tingnan nyo. I'm gonna shot you on head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Headshot. Look at that. Haha. Okay, run, takbo. Kukunin natin muna yung mga bullets nyo. Okay. Reloading. Okay, may pera ka ba? Tourniquet, what the heck is that? Ammo for assault, 9 volts. Okay, reload ulit. Takbo. Okay, as you can see, there's an animals right there. A dead animals. So, kukunin natin yan. That's what you call skinning. Kunin natin para gamitin natin to allure a wild animals or a deadly animals. Okay. Ayan, kukunin natin yan mamayang pampain natin o di kaya itatapon natin yan para lumapit yung mga animals just like a bear, a tiger, or anything else that's deadly for our enemies.
I will find you, Gale.
There you go. Yan. Take that, ha? Take that. Bakit hindi ko maitapon-tapon? There you go. Okay, ngayon panoorin natin. We're not gonna shot them. We're gonna watch until those big foot bear allow them to kill. Right on, right on, right on. Haha. Okay, less danger for us. Pabarilin natin ngayon yan para lumayo siya. Kasi baka tayong papatayin niya eh. Ayaw lumayo, ayaw lumangoy ah. Okay, pupuntahan natin. I'm gonna jump, I'm gonna go into it, I'm gonna kill you. But for now, I'm gonna keep a distance for you para hindi mo ko makikita. Tatakbo ako rito sa bato. Yeah. Oops! No, no way. I'm gonna kill your ass. Sorry, my bear. I'm gonna skin you back so I can use it again. As you can see on this progress, the game is really good. I like it. Okay, kukunin nating mga gamit nyo dyan, kung ano man yan. May pera ka ba? Wala. I'm gonna leave at you. Oh, don't worry. Okay, takbo. Oh, okay. Oh, ano yun? Is that a vulture? Oh yeah, it's a vulture. 1, 2, 3, 4 and the dead animals. And what is that? Is that a tiger? Yeah, it's a tiger. Okay, our plan is to free the tiger para yung mismo yung tiger ang papatay sa kanila. But first, we're gonna take this bullet troops. How could I open this? Oh, there you go. Sipahin mo pala dito sa kabila, bubukas doon sa kabila, opposite of them. Ngayon, kukunin natin yung laman ng crates na yan, at saka yung bullet troop, at saka yung jungle knife. Ngayon, proceed our plan. First, we're gonna pray that tiger, so the tiger allow them to kill, and also we are allure 1 animals. Tatakbo ako dito sa kabila, iikot muna ako para hindi ako makita nila. At the same time, they are busy to kill that tiger, and 1 other animal is coming really, really big. I think that's a bear also. Hopefully, yeah. And I can hear that. Okay, without touching them. Oh, that's a bear. 1 shot dead. Ayaan natin. Ayaan natin. Wag natin silang barilin. Okay, okay. Holy crap. Ang laki ng bear na yan at napaka-delikado. Okay. Without using our bullets, we kill them all by the help of those animals. Yan ang pakay talaga natin, ano? So, makikita mo dyan, nakaharang-harang yung bear na yan. At saka nakakatakot. But first, we have to shoot them to go away, of course, so we can pass them by. Oh my god, tatakbo sa atin. No. Tingnan natin kung makakaakyat nga siya dito. Gonna shot them again. Feel that knife on your ass. Okay. I guess it's enough for us to flee this area. Oh, ouch. I'm dead now. Oh my life. We're gonna take that first. Saka po-proceed na tayo sa bell tower. Okay. The animals kill them all without shooting them. Yan ang matutulong ng mga nakuha nating karne doon sa mga patay or dead animals. So those are skin or a meat is really usable. If there's an aggressive animals, you have to throw it for them so they can eat or so they can stop attacking you. And of course, oh, who's, I heard something. Oh, that's the king.
You really are an excellent listener. Look, no hard feelings about the
Chop it.
I know
Bam.
it's not to everyone's
Right on.
but you'll be pleased to know I had the chef executed for his incompetence.
Holy crap, he
His
executed
family we killed.
the ship
Regardless, next time I can
that
promise
he
you a
kidnapped
fresh
it.
bread. That's the last time I'm kidnapping a fucking TV.
What a really barbarian, guys. Okay, we are near from the bell towers. Whoops. Oh, there you go. Almost lost that grip. Okay, malapit na tayo. Paano makakaakyat kaya doon? Oh, I heard something. Nice. Okay, we are safe. We are near from the bell tower. Right on. Salamat. Thank you.
I'm amazed you made it all
Shukran.
the way to
Okay, we are almost there. Nice job. We did our 4th episode. And see you to 5th episode.
Ajay, you made it! Good job, son of Mohan.
Oh,
Why are you guys helping me?
still hot
You're
there.
the son of Mohan Ghale. You may not know it, but that name carries a lot of weight in Kirat, especially for the Golden Path.
Are those army guys still looking for me?
Pagan men will stop at nothing to get you back. Damn. Some of Pagan's men managed to track us.
Oh, there's
We'll
an
be here in a
enemy
second.
coming. Okay.
Here they come. Hold your ground.
Ito, papatayin ko kayo ngayon. Okay, I am really good at that shot. Bam. Okay, I already killed 2. Just only 2. No, stay. Oh my god, get away. I'm sorry. I kill you. Oh my god. I'm a bad shotter.
Take cover.
Stay cover. Okay, hurry up. Help me. Tulong. Okay, I got 3. Just only 3. Oh my god. No, no, no. Don't shot that guy. Okay, I got 4. Ah, lovely. Oh my god, that's so many of them. Okay. Kailan kayo matatapos tong away na to? Okay, I got 5. I got a headshot and that's a really good bonus. Okay. Man, go real loot. You don't have any bullets. Okay, come on, come on. Hurry up before we're gonna lose the fight. Come on. Oh no. Shot again. Nice job, headshot. Okay, we got almost 10 person. Okay. Pupunta ka rito ha. Papatayin kita talaga. Ito na.
Avalanche! Take cover!
Oh my god, avalanche. Oh no, yellow cover.
Avalanche!
Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh, what? I'm dying? No? Hello? Hello? Hey, I'm still alive. I'm alive. Akala ko patay na ako.
You're a tough man to kill, brother.
Ah, you're right.
Good thing, right?
Still alive. I'm so happy. And that's the complete of Ritz the
Stopping
Bell.
nearby. He's never down this far south, and I wanted to know why. Lucky for you, we were in the area when we got Darpan's text.
So we done for that, and it got us at least
Welcome to
10
Bangalore,
minutes.
home of the Golden Path.
And this is the place where we
Who's this?
belong.
Where's Darpan?
He didn't make it. This is Ajay Gale, Mohan's son.
So that's Sabal.
Let me understand. Darpan's
And
dead.
who's that girl?
And you brought me this.
I'm not involved in whatever this is. I'm just
Asawa niya ba yun?
looking for Lakshmana.
We're in the middle of a fucking war.
Uh-oh.
We don't have time for tourists.
Uh-oh.
What was I supposed to do? Just leave him there? I'm sorry, brother. Amita's a little touchy. I'll talk to her.
Amita.
As for Lakshmana, it sounds like it could be a temple or shrine. But if that's the case, it's in the
Oh,
north.
hey.
The north is enemy territory. and we
He's
can't
talking
get
about
through
the
it, not yet.
temple shrine that we
Go and
can't
clear your head.
bury our mom ashes.
Come find me when you're ready.
Okay. And that's it for Ritz the Bell Tower. See you next time. And this is Tom. Thank you and goodbye.